Right. So in the first half 2026 release, SuccessFactors is releasing an HR service agent. And so I've recorded previous videos on how you can use Joule the AI to create tickets. And this is for the new enterprise service management product. And so now what they are adding is actually combining capabilities, because there's also functionality that already existed in SuccessFactors where you can ask policy related questions. And so what we can actually see in this video is someone is putting a comment out there, hey, I just had my baby and I'd like to take parental leave starting 1 week from the delivery date. And so what the AI responds with is both congratulations, hey, that's great, and you're eligible for 10 working days of paternity leave. So it's using your policy documents, using document grounding, and then it's also at the same time going to be able to create a ticket for you as well and submit it. So once again, how AI is improving and combining things, and that's where it kind of comes together as like an agent that's able to get the policy documents, have that context, but then also take it a step further and help you create the ticket. So this is exciting, and it's nice to kind of see that continued integration between SuccessFactors from like an employee central and the enterprise service management standpoint. So I think this is cool. Thanks.